Okay, so this is a difficult question. When you see the explanation, it will talk about Valsalva manure and phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, and Valsalvation, whatnot. This is out of the scope of step 2, guys. Step 2. You guys are preparing for step 1. This explanation is not for you, but I can make this question, I can make the answering easy. Question is good, but the explanation is not. So I made this answer easy in the way that what we are doing in this, we are basically doing the vagal manure. Vagal manure means you push the nostrils, you try to exhale, but do not open the mouth and nose. That is known as Valsalva manure. So whenever doing any manure, anything, whatever you do with the body, with the cardiovascular system, you do epinephrine, isoproterenol, norepinephrine, you do anything in the world, there is always the rule of thumb. Always the mean arterial pressure has to be seen first. The first one to get affected is always mean arterial pressure. This is very important. So first see mean arterial pressure. You are increasing the Valsalva. You are increasing the pressure that is coming to your chest. You are squeezing, basically squeezing all the arteries. The artery was this big, you're squeezing it into small, so pressure is going to increase inside that. So ultimately, which means mean arterial pressure is going to increase, which means option A and D can't be correct. Just B, C and E are correct. After, now what happens after the BP was increased? There will be a reflex section. Reflex, what does reflex causes? What does reflex cause? It causes opposite to what happened to BP, which means if BP was increased, reflex will cause heart rate to go down. So second is always, you should see, reflex. So what does reflex cause? It will cause something to do with baroreceptor activity, right? So yeah, what will be the thing? You know this reflex, right? Whenever there is increasing blood pressure, the baroreceptor activity falls down, the parasympathetic outflow increases. Increase in blood pressure, baroreceptor activity goes down, parasympathetic activity increases. This parasympathetic activity will decrease the heart rate. There is only one question, one option which fills this criteria. First of all, blood pressure. Second is the reflex. Third thing, what happens? Which reflex it trigger? Parasympathetic or sympathetic? And what happens ultimate? Heart rate is the last thing you should see in such questions. These are the amount of questions you will see, in step 1. There will be so many questions of up, down arrows, and you're always going to get confused. So rule of thumb, write this somewhere. You thank me in the end that always see the blood pressure first, then the reflex, then the heart rate. Don't go mix up. Don't mix this thing.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.